So in this video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the SodaStream E-Duo. This is a relatively new SodaStream, and the point of this one, at least the big selling point of this one, is that it has a glass carafe or a glass bottle. SodaStream is almost all plastic bottles. They have one very dated model that uses glass. They call it the Aqua Fizz, and that is an outdated design. The E-Duo is a newer design, and it's not only one of the only new ones, or the only new one, that uses the glass carafe, it uses a better glass carafe. Previously, it used the 750 milliliter glass carafe, and now there's a new 1 liter glass carafe. So it's not only a new design and a smaller maker than the Aqua Fizz, but it has the new glass carafe. Okay, let's start unboxing it. Have the instructions, warranty. Here's your CO2. It uses the new style, the pink style, not the old style, which is blue. The old style sort of twisted in. Now everything pretty much at this point has moved to the what's called the quick connect style. You could trade in the blues for the pinks, but it's a little bit inconvenient if you do have all the blue bottles. It's a spacer. Here's the machine. We'll look at that in a second. Here we have the 2 carafes. This basic kit comes with 1 plastic carafe and 1 glass one. I'm not really sure why they did that. This is a powered model, so if you don't have an outlet available, that's going to be a major drawback. And I think it's one of the big reasons why a lot of people have not adopted the E-Duo yet. All the other SodaStreams I've had, this is like, I guess my 3rd or 4th, have not required any sort of power. This one, it does use power. That's so you can't overinflate the CO2 or over CO2 it. It makes it a little bit easier, but it does require an outlet. Here's that new glass carafe. You'll see it's much larger than before. The other one had sort of lines around it. That was for the Aqua Fizz and the Penguin or whatever that model was called. But now it's larger, smoother, and it's all glass. Here's the plastic carafe. This is the newer style. It's more kind of streamlined than it was before. Here's the maker itself. It's all wrapped in plastic. Looks a lot like the Aqua Fizz. Everything's housed in that canister on the left. It has buttons on the top. Those are just electric buttons or electronic buttons because this is a powered model. You can see that this is the powered sort of lightning bolt or whatever. And now you have, just like the Aqua Fizz, you have this piece goes up and down. This goes down, it locks in, and it goes down, it locks in. And everything is being charged or filled in this metal canister. That seems like it's a prerequisite of using a glass carafe. I don't know if they did some testing and things exploded in their tests or what, but both the Aqua Fizz and the E-Duo use the stainless steel lower and this sort of pop-up design. So yeah, that is the E-Duo from SodaStream. Check back for a full review and some how-tos. Thanks for watching.